A man station has a designated person who helps to get people checked in at a welcome desk or even on your phone. The goal is to have most people check themselves in using self-stations. But if someone's having trouble, they need to edit something in their profile, or a brand new family shows up, that's where man stations come in. Let's take a look at how to do it. When you're checking in someone new, start by typing in their full name. Then go ahead and click Add Person. We're adding a whole new family, so we'll add to a new household. Now we can start to enter information for Claire. Since they're an adult, you'll want to make sure you get at least their email address and phone number so you can contact them if you need to. Once we've got Claire all set, we'll add the next member of the family. Let's say Millie. This time, we're going to add a child. But if you have another adult that you want to add first, you can just toggle back and forth. The information that we need for a child is different from what we wanted for an adult. You'll want to include things like their birthday and their grade in school. Once you get the whole household entered, then you can get them checked in. Their labels will print, and they'll be good to go. And every time they come back, they'll be able to check themselves in using a self-station. You can also run a man station on any mobile device, like your phone, which means everyone on your team can have a station ready to go.